question number 5 is give example of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm. To do this type of maths, first you need to know what is division algorithm. Division algorithm is a very simple thing you learn from your childhood. That is, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And from this portion we can write px will be similar to division, that is divisor gx, quotient qx and remainder is r of x. So now the question is prove that degree of px is equals to degree of qx. From this portion you can easily understand if the dividend will be the same degree as the quotient, then the divisor must be a constant. So to give example for 1, we can write that degree of px equals to degree of qx. The example for this we can write that if px equals to 4x square plus 8x plus 6, gx equals to 2. Now you can divide both of them, like 4x square plus 8x plus 6. If we divide with 2, we can get 2x square, that will be 4x square. Then 8x, for this we can write plus 4x, that will be 8x, and then 6, that will be 6. So you can easily see the degree of quotient is equals to the degree of px. So if px equals to 4x square plus 8x plus 6, gx equals to 2 and qx equals to 2x square plus 4x plus 3, then px will be degree of px will be similar to degree of qx. You can verify it by multiplying quotient into divisor, because we know that px must be equal to gx into qx plus rx. Now here rx is 0, gx is 2 into qx is 2x square plus 4x plus 3 plus 0. So you will get 4x square plus 8x plus 6. So this question satisfy the division algorithm. This way you can solve your question. Now the second one is degree of qx equals to degree of rx. For this type of question, what we need to do, let's assume if px equals to x cube plus x, we will not take any constant term here. Then gx, we will take x square. Now you can divide it x cube plus x by x square. Now x, if we multiply with x, it will be x cube, and then we will get 1x. Now x square is not divisible by x, so the quotient is x and the remainder is also x. So you can do it, you can verify it with this type of also. Px equals to gx into qx plus rx. Now gx equals to x square into qx equals to x plus rx equals to x. So we got x cube plus x, that was the px. Therefore we can prove that in this question degree of degree of qx will be equal to degree of rx. So this way you can solve this question. Now the last one, degree of rx equals to 0. Remind, degree of rx will be 0 if the remainder will be a constant. So first we have to find remainder is constant. So let's find one number for this. Let px equals to 3x square plus 2x plus 5, and let's divide it with x plus 1. So gx will be x plus 1. Now 3x square plus 2x plus 5, if we divide with x plus 1, now this x and 3x square, that means you have to multiply with 3x. 3x into x became 3x square, and 3x into x will become plus 3x into 1 will become plus 3x. Now let's change the sign and you will get minus x plus 5. For this one you have to multiply with minus 1. So it will become minus x and minus 1, 2. So it is 6. So you have got remainder, that is rx equals to 6. Here is no x, so the degree of rx is 0. In this way you can